Hey guys, today we're unboxing this bird camera feeder. We're gonna go ahead and take a look and see what comes inside of this. Hey guys, so I just unboxed this bird camera feeder. It was super easy to put together. It was just the 3 parts. It was the main part, this perch, which was just one little screw, and then the top just pops on. That's where it'll open and close to put your bird feed. Super easy. This box did come with a few different accessories. You got like your nectar feeder for honey, nectar, anything like that. This jelly box, it's a 2-part jelly box. And then I've got 4 of these fruit holders. And then I also have this fruit holder here as well. Each of these accessories does have this little screw top. So everything does screw right nicely onto this perch. Super easy, very user friendly. This kit did come with the solar power, and it does come with a mounting bracket. And then as well as a mounting bracket for the bird feeder as well. Hey guys, this bird feeder has been working great, and I've had a great time watching from the other side of my phone camera.